video will explain how to launch Honeywell Remote Connect tool. The tool allows Honeywell Field Service Engineer to remotely connect to customer's maintenance laptop to provide a real-time support with aircraft systems troubleshooting, software upgrade, diagnostics, etc. Open a browser. In this example, Firefox is used. Type arc.honeywell.com into the address bar and click Enter. The welcome page will open and prompt you to enter the invite code. Once you put the invite code that Honeywell Service Engineer generates and provides to you, you can click Join button. Join Session Instructions window will open. A Screen Connect client file needs to be launched. Click Save File. Click the Downloads icon and then click the file to open it. Antivirus may take a few seconds to check the file. There may be occasions where your network connection may have a firewall rule built in to prevent access to the remote session. If that is the case, you will need to use a different network such as a hotspot. Once successfully connected, you will see the confirmation.